Ooh, okay. Where's my face? All right. Whew, got dizzy. At least you know it's not coming off. Completely clueless. I have had 2 weeks to sit with this hair, and I am finally ready to tell you guys how I feel about this BUW 5x5 HD lace straight wig. This is what your hairline is going to look like when you first receive the wig. You can see that the knots are not bleached, but they are very small, and the HD lace does help the appearance of it. And here to the side, you can see that there's some protection for you, so you don't have to worry about the wind flipping up your wig on the side, and we'll get more into detail with that. The luster on this hair is so shiny, and this is even before washing the wig. And look how thick this hair is. I have never had hair this long and this straight be this thick. I did not bleach the knots, but I did go ahead and tweeze the front just to customize the hairline to my liking. I also took a hot comb to it and pressed it down just to flatten it out a bit. Now for the cap construction. As you can see, you have your 5x5. It is large enough to do a side part. You have combs on the side, the back, and also in the middle. And here's a closer shot of what the side of that band looks like with the extra hair. Again, this helps so if the wig happens to fly back a little bit, you're not seeing an excess of wig cap under there, which is very pleasing to me. And now to one of the best things that ever happened to wigs is the elastic band. This one you can take in and out, you can adjust it to your size, and it's best for the glueless look, which I'll show you a little bit later in the video. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in. I've already adjusted it to the size of my head. I do have a smaller head, and this helped me to secure this wig so well. BUW is a wig brand that mainly produces 100% human hair. If you're still not convinced by this video, you could always go into one of their 7 locations in the US to put your hands on the actual product. Now for the install. I know this ball cap looks crazy, but don't judge me, judge your mama. Now, I've tried glueless lace wigs before, and it never worked out for me, but I never had HD lace. I was so amazed that I really didn't need to bleach those knots at all. Like, you can barely see that. I think if you've never tried HD lace, this is your cue to definitely go and try it now. If you're looking for the direct link to this wig, it'll be down below in the description box. Also, take advantage of the 5% online orders discount that BUW is offering. Let me go off script right here and just say, look at how amazing that lace looks. Oh my gosh. I was in the mirror for too long doing this because I just couldn't believe it. Now I had to finish it off by putting on my face. You know I gotta put some makeup on to see the full thing, see how this is working for me. I was absolutely feeling myself, and as I showed you in the earlier clip in this video, this baby ain't going nowhere. Another thing that I was pleasantly surprised at is there was no shedding, even though I tweezed my lace. Here is a close-up to show you that this thing is glueless, that there's no adhesive on it. You do not need adhesive. A little tip, you can see that I have bronzer on. I put the bronzer over my lace by accident, but you can kind of see it a little bit, but it's not as bad as I thought it looked. Like, you can barely see it, but just kind of giving you a heads up. So if you see that, like, you can wash it out. I'll show you a better example in this next install. Second time around, I just used a wig cap. I didn't do any ball cap. So I'm showing you the differences and what that would look like for your hairline. I'm just going to throw this on like I did the last time. It literally takes a few seconds. Just pop it on and adjust it to your liking. Again, pleasantly surprised. I really don't need a ball cap. Now, one thing that I had issues with was because I had a lighter wig cap, you can see it through that HD lace. I didn't do it on camera, but I did take my face powder and I just put it along the parting so that it looks more natural and more scalp-like. I'm giving you another close-up so you know it's real. This thing is glueless, baby. Now, I do have a lower hairline on the sides, so you can see where it's a little bit lighter. I just pulled that up a little bit more so you can't see it. So just giving you a heads up there for that too. If you have a little bit of a lower hairline, it's okay. It'll still look good. Now, this wig is marked at 18 inches, but it's actually 2 inches longer than what it's marked at. It's 20. And I'm thinking this is something special for me. No, baby, it's for everybody. Don't forget to use my special link down below to get your 5% discount on your online orders. And again, you can still go touch that product in any of the 7 US stores that BUW has. If you guys have any questions about this wig, please let me know, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.